Hello everybody, it's Michelle, and I've just got a quick little tip for you guys today for your Misti, and we're going to sort of protect our grid sheet here because as you can see that gets stamped on and it gets adhesive on it and so many things. And when you purchase the Misti, it only comes with a small pad with just a few sheets on there, so we want to get the most out of those that we can. I've got another clean sheet behind here. I'm going to take that. So if you don't have a laminating machine, you can use this Scotch self-seal laminating sheet. I've never owned a laminator myself, so this is very handy for me. I really enjoy the option of not having to have a machine. And this is adhesive laminate, which I think I kind of would prefer anyway. I can't really say with much certainty because I've never had the laminator, but I like that the entire surface is sealed beneath adhesive when you use these. Okay, so I'm going to get one sheet of that, and this will really extend the life of your sheets here. You can have that grid in there to work off of and to help get things aligned and not have it get dirty from stamping every time. If you can see, this separates into a little strip here of the backer. And that's so that we can get it lined up. I think I'm going to lay the laminate down and I'm going to work with my sheet here instead. And I'm going to use a bone folder to really burnish that on. So now we've got it stuck along just that little strip. And we can slowly work peeling the backer away. And work that down a little at a time onto that adhesive sheet as we peel away the backer. And then just lay that back down and we'll go ahead and burnish through that backer piece there. And I'm just going to take my scissors and cut right along the edge here. I'm actually leaving a little bit of extra so that if I need to, I can take that to my paper trimmer. So I'll make sure I get a straighter edge. So then you can just remove the rest of that backer. And you've got your paper exposed on this side, and you don't really have to laminate both sides, but I think I want to. And that piece there is too small, so I'm going to get another new piece, and I'm going to do it the same way I did before on the other side. And actually, you don't have to line it up exactly. You can come in from the edge a little bit and leave yourself that room there. Burnish that down. And now we're going to work it slowly as we move that backer. And if we work it slowly onto there like that, then that's going to prevent air bubbles. And just lay that backer back on top of it. And again, we're going to cut that away, leaving a little bit of extra space so we can cut it away with our trimmer. And I'm going to put these back into my package. And I can use those for another project. So now I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer. And I'm first going to just line up my piece over here, just eyeballing it along that cutting edge. And now we can use that clean cut to line up against our guide at the top so that we know we're getting straight cuts from there on out. And now that clean cut can line up against the top guide edge. And one more cut. And that is all there is to it. You can now put that back in to your Misti. And now when you're stamping on there and you get ink on it, it's going to be a wipeable surface that is going to last way longer for much more stamping. And you're going to get so much use out of that laminated piece, so much beyond just the regular piece of paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. A Misti is a little bit of an investment. They are a little bit on the expensive side, so this was a treat for myself that I was able to get this, and I really want to get the most out of it that I can. I'm pretty frugal, and when I do splurge for something like this, I really want to make sure that I protect my investment, and I think these are going to last me so much longer. I really love it. So you guys leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.